So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about another topic which is less intake of water. Less intake of water. For suppose we are going to any desert area, so there is basically very less water, so we do not drink a lot of water over there. So when we gonna drink the less water, when we basically intake less water intake, so there are two conditions can be happen. One is RAS is activated, which is renin angiotensin aldosterone system is activated, and secondly here we have another condition. First, this RAS is activated, and this RAS is activated, this means it will release the aldosterone, and when aldosterone is released, so it will basically maintain the water level in our body. Okay, another condition is basically it is related to our brain. So for suppose here we have brain. Here this is the brain, and here you can see after brain here we have in the, wait, let me make it a bit larger. Yeah, here we have basically the brain, and in the brain we know here the thalamus is present. This is the thalamus which is present, and we know at the downward side of thalamus here the two bags are present. Those are known as pituitary gland. Those are known as pituitary gland. Okay, so at the upper side of the thalamus, here we can say osmoregulators are present, also receptors are present which help in the concentration of water. Osmoreceptors are present. So here we have osmoreceptors. Fine. After that here you can see, so this is hypothalamus, and these are pituitary gland. So now hypothalamus is also known as the third center of body. Third एक प्यासा center है body का, third center of body. This is basically what this is, third center of body. Fine. So now here you can see now pituitary gland is again divided into two parts. One is inferior part, and second is posterior part. Not inferior, we can say anterior part. So now posterior pituitary gland will help to release the ADH. It will release the antidiuretic hormone, which is the vasopressor. Which is the vasopressor. Okay. So now here let's see what's happened over here. So if I can make here the DCT, this whole will happen in the DCT. So if I can make here, this is basically paratubular capillary, and here we have DCT. This collecting duct. So now here you can see in the said cells of DCT are known as cuboidal muscularis cells. These are cells present. So at the upper of cell, what's the work of antidiuretic? As I've explained you in many videos. So antidiuretic basically play major role. It will increase the aldosterone will increase the sodium and potassium pump in the cells of DCT. These are the cuboidal cells of DCT. So here basically here will be increase in the sodium potassium pump, which is done by the aldosterone. Which is done by the aldosterone. Okay, which is done by the aldosterone, and here you can see in the collecting duct. Yes, here you can see in the collecting duct here the, we can say, proteins are present which are known as aqua protein. Aquaporin. aquaporin, which basically put the ADH and release the water. ये aqua protein is done by, यहाँ पे aqua protein present है, which are basically these are basically done by the ADH, जो कि ADH के जरिए यहाँ पर रखे गए हैं, and through here water will be reabsorbed. और जब water क्या होगा, water ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा reabsorb होगा, मतलब when we do not drink when we do not drink a lot of water, so this means the water is reabsorbed more from our body, it do not go much in the urine. So this is how basically the less intake of water also maintain our body water level. So now in the next video we'll discuss about the urine dilute or concentrated. I hope so that it is clear. Bye bye.